5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 5 right, 8 at the middle. Dodgy bend coming, fast 4 right, 60 slowing, watch it. 4 left over crest, tightens to 2 left, don't. 20. Long fast 3 right, opens to 4. 60, 5 left, slowing, watch it. 4 left over crest, tightens to 2. Into 5 right, 4 left, tightens to 2, watch. And 5 right over crest. Square left. 80. 5 right and 5 left. Opens very long to 6 left. 100. 4 right at the top. Into fast 3 right over bumps. And fast 3 right, keep in. This bumpy this. And crest. Slowing. Danger crest, immediate 3 left. Watch. Long 4 right. 60 over loose. 3 right, don't cut logs. Perry. 40, fast 4 right, don't cut logs. 100, 6 right. And flat crest. 60, 6 left. And flat crest. 150, slowing, tight 4 left, keep in. Tight 4 left. 40, 4 right, tight 4 left again. Into flat crest. 6 left. And late 5 right. 80, 5 right, into 5 right again, slowing only 60, 3 right, very short, 3 left, peak 60, that's it, and very short 3 left, short 3 left again, 130, slippy braking downhill, square right at the bottom, 100 up, 5 left, 5 right, in over crest, into a left on crest, 60, long fast 3 right, continues past the junction, don't cut, 40, long fast 3 right, uphill, don't cut, 80, slippy, late short 2 left, and very long 2 right, keep in, uphill, 40, 3 left, nips, slippy, in, 80, long 6 left, 100, flat 6 right over crest, 130, slippy braking for a fast 3 left, past the junction, slippy braking 3 left, past junction, and 3 left again, into 3 left again, 150, okay now, tight 4 left, and small flat crest, 5 right and 6 right over crest, into middle over crest, slowing, 60 down, 3 right, don't cut, 3 right, don't, and long 5 right, well done, 40, 6 left over small crest, 6 left, slowing, watch it, 40, crest, 4 left, tidy, keep in, long 3 right, nips, watch, long 3 right, nips, 130 at the middle, 6 left over small crest, into long 6 right, tighten, slowing, 4 right, in, and long 2 left, and tighten to a 4, then to a 2 left here, 60, 4 left, 4 right, slowing, and crest immediate 2 right, immediate 2 right, 80, 6 right, 80, 6, yeah, 5 left, tightens very long to a fast 3, don't cut logs, opens to a 4 left, don't cut, opens to a 5, keep in, and long 5 right, keep in, 4 left, don't cut, fast, 6 right over crest, bumps, 60, fast 4 left, 80, long 5 left, uphill, long crest, flat, 5 right, only 40, 4 left, slowing, keep in, 3 right, keep 4 left, keep in, and a 3 right, 200, good drive out of this, turn 2 left at the bottom, watch for the arrows, 100 now, with 2 left. Crest, 5 right, keep in. 60 slowing, late hairpin left slippy. Long, 5 right. 150. Long, 3 right downhill. Deep long, 3 right downhill. And 6 left. And 6 right. And 5 left. 60. 6 left over crest. And 5 left. 100. 4 left. Deep 4 left here. 40 slowing, 5 left slowing. 5 left again. Immediate turn hairpin right tight. You can see. It is tight this. 60. 6 left. And 5 left downhill. 60. 6 right. 60. 6 right again. Slowing only 40. Short 3 left. And 3 left tightens to 2. Don't get tidy. Good time to 2. Keep it tidy. 80. 6 right. And 5 right. Into flat crest. Very long 5 right, tightens to 4, keep in. 80. Tight 4 right, in. 80, short 3 left, in. And long 6 right. And 6 right again. And crest, into tight 4 left, keep in. Into long 6 right continues. Into long crest, slowing, crest 4 right before the tree, short 3 left past junction. I think it's 2 junctions this, just keeps going left. Into 6 right, 60, 4 right in, 100 down the middle, slowing, 6 right, only 40, 2 left tidy, slippy, keep in. And short, 3 right, into 2 left don't cut, over narrow bridge, tidy. Into long, 3 left, keep in, 40, fast, 3 right, 60, 3 left, 60, care, 5 left, in over crest, and tight 4 left, into 5 right, and fast, 3 right, keep in, 5 left, 40, 5 left, 170 at the middle, bumps, 6 right loose, and crest, 5 left, 6 right, 60, 6 left over small crest, 60, 5 right over bumps, 150, fast 4 right, keep in over crest. Well done, fast 4 right here, 60, 4 right, and very short 3 left, 100 bumpy, 6 left, 6 right, 100 bumpy, fast 4 right, don't cut, and 6 left, and crest, into fast 4 left, 40, late 4 right, into 4 left, tight, 60, slippy to finish, 4 right, slippy, watch, and 4 right over crest, don't cut, and 4 right, slippy, opens to 5, and 5 left, slowing, tightens to a long 4, and turn, tidy, 2 right, and 2 right over finish. And 5 left. Peak 2 right, 2 right. Go on, all the way, go on. Get out. Done. Well done.